Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I figured I'd show you guys my hair routine, especially on the wash days where I'm not deep conditioning or I'm not doing too much. It's strictly just my shampoo and my conditioner. So first things first, I use the Paul Mitchell Shampoo 1 Everyday Wash Balance Clean. And I really like this. It's very lightweight and it does say that it's for fine to medium and chemically treated hair. And then I followed up with this post-wash calming conditioner from Curlsmith. It does have hyaluronic acid and peppermint oil in it. The hyaluronic acid, I guess, is to replenish any moisture that was lost during the shampooing process. Obviously, we know peppermint oil is very stimulating. It also has some tea tree oil in there, which tea tree oil does have antibacterial properties, which is really good for the health of the scalp. And it also has lavender and green tea extract in there as well. So yeah, this was my combo for like my actual wash and conditioning. And now I'm going to go through like my moisture routine before I style. I like to roughly separate my hair into sections because these sections are also going to help me with my detangling, and I'm going to use the same sections to style. So this is my hair all sectioned off. In total, I will be working off of 8 sections. I'm going to do maybe first half of the front of my head just so you can see what I'm doing, and then I will do the rest of this off camera and then come back on when it's all done, just to make the process a little bit easier for me. The first thing I will do is typically apply my scalp serum. I'm using this one. You guys know this one. I've used this before. It's the Odele Rejuvenating Scalp Serum that has rosemary and vitamin E. Normally I apply it from my whole scalp before sectioning, but I forgot, to be honest. So I'm just gonna apply it like section by section. And then the next thing I do is apply this Damage Therapy hair oil from Growus. This is a Korean brand. It has a very like botanical scent. The main scent that I'm picking up is rose, but it smells really good. I'm making sure to apply to my ends as well because I want the moisture to be sealed in my ends, because that's super important, especially if you have curly hair. Like our natural oils by itself have trouble getting to the ends of our hair because our hair is more of like a spiral shape. So the next product I'm going to be using is this comb cream. It is from Salonline. It's a Brazilian brand. It's very like conditioning. It's rich with moisture, and I got this 3 years ago and I still have it. That's because I haven't been using it regularly, but I think I'm going to use it because it does expire this year, so I really need to use it up actually. And I'm going to take it and again just apply that from the ends of my hair and finger combing it all the way to the roots. And this is what I'm going to use to curl my hair. Now I will be doing like a finger coiling method for my curls. I felt like that helped me retain the moisture and it looked really cute, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. Okay, so basically you can section this off, and then I go section by section. I twist to form the curl and then I drop. It doesn't have to be even, the separations doesn't have to be perfect. You just do it like this. I also feel like this cream would be really good for twist outs as well. I'm gonna go in with the scalp serum again. and just massage that in. Then I'm going to apply Growus hair oil, which is more of like a serum consistency actually. I think that's why I love it, because it's not heavy and it doesn't like weigh the hair down. It almost like absorbs into the hair, so I like that. And then I add my combing cream on top of that, raking it throughout the entire section. And then once all your products is applied, again, you just go row by row. So this is basically what it's looking like. I'm gonna continue doing this off camera and then I will come back once my hair is completely done. So this is my hair fully done. You can still see like the residue from the combing cream. So what I'm gonna do is actually spray some of this Amika Headstrong Intense Hold Spray. Because the cream is a cream and it's not a gel, I like to do this because it gives my hair just a little bit of hold so I can have my curls for at least a couple days. So I'm gonna spray some of that. I really like this spray because it smells so good. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna diffuse my hair on cool for maybe like 10 to 15 minutes at least. Okay, so we're not fully dry yet. We still have some, you know what I'm saying, dampness on this side, and we have some like built up residue on my actual hair as well. I'm gonna do my edges and then I'm gonna show you like a quick tip to get rid of that like white cast, especially if it's a cream based product causing the cast. And because I like my hair like pulled back a little bit, that's probably what I'm gonna do today as well. Just gonna like pin this upward because that's how I like it. I can go in here and like just shape my edges a little bit. Okay, this looks really cute to me so far. This is what the back is looking like. Actually, hold on one second, let me turn. You can see that it has like the cast of the whiteness for the cream. If you're in a rush to get rid of that cast, what you can do is use a serum and that will help like dissolve the cast and give your hair a little bit of a shine. If you have nowhere to go or nowhere to be with, or you don't care about the cast, then you just let it continue to air dry and the cast will kind of disappear on its own, but your hair will have like a gray tint to it. That's normal, especially when using like a cream product that is that heavy. So I have this like Argan Oil of Morroco. This smells really good, and when my hair is fully dry, this is when I've used this. I've never really used this while my hair is still damp, but I'm gonna try just to see what happens. See if that helps. I'm trying not to disturb the curls too much, just applying the oil by just tapping it into my hair. I feel like that kind of helped a little bit. You do have like better luck when you do it with your hair like fully dry. Right now my hair is not fully dry at all. You can see that the argan oil definitely helped with the cast, like removing that cast on my hair. Let me turn to the back so you can see what the back looks like. Just tapping, I'm just tapping my hands on my hair. This was a really like basic wash day for me, so I didn't deep condition, but next week is gonna be my strengthening wash day routine, and so obviously I will film that for you guys so you can see what products that I'm using and everything. Yeah, y'all, this is the hair. That was the routine. Hopefully I see you in the next video. Have an amazing week. Bye.